Welcome to my channel all about zoology. Today I will talk about polytypic species. The polytypic species. So what is polytypic species? As the name suggests, poly, that means many, and the typic means types. So many types of species present in this polytypic species concept. Okay, clear? So let's see the definition of the polytypic species. So the definition is a polytypic species is a type of species that includes multiple distinct populations or subspecies. So this word subspecies is very important in the polytypic species concept, because what is subspecies? A subspecies is a taxonomic subdivision of a species, often distinguished by special phenotypic characters and by its origin or localization in a given geographical region. Okay, not all species have subspecies, but polytypic species consist subspecies. So this is important. So a polytypic species is a type of species that includes multiple distinct population or subspecies that differ from each other. Okay, differ from each other in terms of morphology, behavior, or genetics. Okay, it may be genetically different or it may be behavior. They show different types of behavior and also morphologically different species. Okay, so this is about the polytypic species definition. Again, the subspecies definition we have to learn or we have to remember. So the subspecies is what? Subspecies is a taxonomic subdivision of a species, often distinguished by special phenotypic characters and by its origin or localization in a given geographical region. As I said, not all species have subspecies. Okay, only polytypic species consist subspecies. So remember this. Okay, so now the example. What is the example under the polytypic species? Okay, it makes you clear about polytypic species concept. So let's take a tiger species. It is very commonly used and important. So tiger. Okay, tiger have 4 types of subspecies. Subspecies. They are like Indian tiger. First one is Indian tiger. Okay, the Indian tiger. So the scientific name of the Indian tiger is what? It is Panthera tigris. Okay, the scientific name of the Indian tiger is Panthera tigris. You can say tigris or tigris. It is your choice. So Panthera tigris, it is the scientific name of the Indian tiger. As I said, they have 4 types of subspecies. So the second one is the Chinese tiger. Also, the scientific name of the Chinese tiger is Panthera tigris emoensis. Okay, and the third one is the Siberian tiger. The scientific name of the Siberian tiger is Panthera tigris altaica. Okay, and the last one is the Javan tiger. Their scientific name is Panthera tigris sondaica. Okay, so as I said, they have multiple subspecies. So you can say tiger has 4 type of subspecies: Indian tiger, the Chinese tiger, the Siberian tiger, and the Javan tiger. Okay, you can use as an example. So these are the examples of the polytypic species. So it is all about polytypic species, their definition, their examples. I hope you understand. If you are clear with this, please like my video, and yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Till then, take care and bye bye.